Tommy Smyth, and they were like, oh yeah, did you know the guy like with the onion bag? And straight away, people at home were like, oh yeah, because that is your catchphrase. I heard you downstairs. You managed to use it at one point during the show.
Certainly made no mistake as he buried it in the corner of the old onion bag. What a bulge in the old onion bag that was.
But that's one of your lines, right?
Yeah, that's my line. And, you know, people say, where did that come from? Well, I had a very good friend here, Barry McCormick, who's from Navan. And Barry owned a restaurant downtown. And when I started to get into television, he had me down for dinner one night and he said, look, he said, every American announcer has a catchphrase. He said, you need a catchphrase. And we were talking about it. And we went downstairs to do something. And as we went down the stairs, there was bags of onion. And at that time, the nets used to be red. And there I saw the onion sticking out of the bag. And I said to McCormick, I said, look at that onion sticking out of the bag. I said, doesn't it look like a ball when it hits the net? And he said, you're right. And I said, I think we'll go with that, a bulge in the old onion bag. And that's where it came from.